Good day everyone. Today I will going demo what is the proper way of troubleshooting the network and solving the issues. First is search command prompt. Then type IP config space slash release. Next is IP config space slash DNS. Next is IP config space slash renew, then enter. Next is niche and IP seed DNS, then enter. Next is niche niche win shock win sock reset, then enter. So the last part, you are going to reboot or reset your computer or your laptop. That's all. Thank you.